Listen, all they want you to do, listen, hear me out, okay?
Yeah.
All they want you to do is leave the plaza. You can either leave the plaza, or I can take you down to jail.
It's not my first time dealing with him, by the way.
Yeah. It's up to you. What do you want to do?
I smoke my cigarette and then leave.
No,
Just start moving, man. Just start moving.
Where's the lighter inside?
Just start moving, buddy.
He's
a security.
I'm done the cop, fat boy. When white people sit there, you don't say nothing, boy. What's it, boy?
Listen, buddy. Last
Don't
chance.
call me buddy. My name is Andre.
Okay, Andre, listen.
Yeah, pussy hole.
Start walking, okay? If not, I'm going to take you to jail. Okay, Andre, please, do us a favor. I'm not trying to be mean to you, man.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do, pussy hole?
You can go across the street to the next plaza, man.
Why? Why can't I go to this plaza? What's
They
illegal
don't
about
want you
this?
here. They don't want you. They got kids in there, man.
What am I doing to the kids?
Nothing. You just
When
out
white
here.
people sit here, you don't want to arrest them and tell them to leave. I tell them to
Andre,
get out
listen.
what?
What's up? I'm busy. I'm on a call.
Are you a shake? What's that one? Let's talk to my blood clot, boy.
I can't even speak patois correctly.
You know? Oh, you know, Batty boy? Come from Jamaica?
Buddy, I'm in beef.
Move your bum buckler, Batty boy. Yes, and so what? You want to drop in the yard, Batty boy? You talk too much.
Listen, last chance, okay? If not,
Get the
opportunity, you go to jail.
Batty
Start
boy.
walking. Have a good day. Listen, you're trespassing from this entire plaza. Start walking, buddy.
If I see him again,
You call me? Listen, pick that up right now.
yeah, pick it up, bro. Pick it up. Why you throwing
Pick it up
stuff,
right
bro?
now, you're gonna have a problem. Okay? We're done. Get the shit and get out of here. You understand?
You just threw that.
Start walking, buddy. Start walking.
Yeah, cracker.
You understand me? Start walking.
Yeah, cracker. Let's talk to your mama.
Start walking.
Cracker, let's talk to your
Start
mama.
walking, buddy.
You're all smelling. You're pale.
If you come back 18 months, you're going to jail.
Yeah.
Start walking.
Yeah?
Turn around again.
You want
What's
to-
going to happen?
I'm
to you?
walking.
Start walking.
I'm walking. Touch me, boy.
Start walking.
You pussy class.
Do you understand? Start walking.
Batty boy. Let's talk to your mama, boy. You're Look a pussy class. Tell me what you're doing, Batty boy. So I'm going to come back with my gun, pussy one. I want a blood clot.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the... Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Turn around! Turn around! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands on your back. Do it now. Get your hands on your back. Guardsboro 2-1 in custody. 4366 North Lake. Listen, buddy, you're going to jail, okay? You can't threaten to shoot me.
I didn't just shoot
You did. You said you're coming back with your gun and you're going to take care of me. That's a threat. You can't make that against the police.
But yeah, I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Well, you're going to jail, buddy.
All right,
You're going to jail.
Well, shut up. I got much to boy.
Yeah, just hang out over here.
Can I go in this store?
It's closed. It's closed. You can walk by, but it's closed.
Yeah, pale face, because you smell. I need a mask that can cover my nose, part so you're on a blood clot.
But buddy thought he was going to shoot me and kill me. Said he's going to come back and shoot me. Then he says he's got a gun in his pocket.
Yeah, right. You're lying, man.
So you just said, buddy.
Oh, on camera, boss.
Yeah, sure it is. You mess on the pussy class, I catch you now. I despise me. You ain't gonna get me.
Buddy.
Yeah.
Stay right there like that.
I move your ball.
Stop moving around, buddy. Stop it. Do you understand? Stop moving around. I'm searching you and make sure you don't have a gun on me. On you, like you said you did. What's wrong with you, buddy?
You tell me, pussy, what? I'm your body either, nigga. You're a crack and I'm a nigga. That's for sure.
Can you also... Hey, kid. Yo. Can you get a security guard guy? And can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
There's a guy over there in a green shirt.
Yeah, want me to get him?
Can you just get him, please? The guy on the right. Just ask him. The guy closer leaning on the wall. The guy leaning on the wall that called me a little while ago. There's a guy leaning on the wall right here. I'll go get him, bro. I'll go get him. It's no big deal. Just give me a second. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll get it. Don't worry about it, buddy. Hey, so, supposed to have the council meeting tonight, but can't let these guys slide after you threaten to shoot and kill me.
Hey, boss man, I don't see you on the picture.
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll figure it out.
I'm taking this around, pussy, what? Let's go to the jail.
What's your name, buddy?
My name is Uncle Tom.
You're not gonna give me your name?
I don't have a name. My name is Andre X.
Andre X?
Yes.
What's your legal name?
I don't have a legal name.
You don't have a real name?
No.
You're not gonna give me a real name?
No pussy one. And you can't make me a basketball. Come on, that's for sure. They're trying to switch the card.
Give me a second, I'm gonna call. I'll go down to the gym.
No, sir, take it over my head.
Oh, over here.
Yes, indeed.
All right. It's a process. Try not to get all up. Not good at this. There we go. And then onto this one too.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate your cooperation with this. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. And then I got to take the bracelet off.
The one you gotta take off the
I see it.
oh, got it. The way they call it.
That's easy to steal, man. That's an easy pickpocket bracelet, man. Gotta be careful. I'll leave the watch on for now, okay? I'll take it off.
Take it off then.
I can't take it off because the handcuffs.
Okay.
When we get down there, I'll take it off. Listen, please, let me get your full name, man. Just
Andre X. Andre X is my name. I don't have a last name.
Andre is your first name?
Yes, indeed.
It's common spelling?
A-N-D-R-E.
Okay, well, we'll figure out. Do you have any last name that they've used before that you know of?
No.
Never?
Andre X is what I use.
X with an X?
Yes, indeed. X represents the unknown. I don't know my name.
Okay.
I'm a slave. It's a slave name. Andre is a slave name, a cracker name. Where's my African name?
Nothing else? Nothing else on you? Andre?
No.
Any knives, anything like that?
No, I don't carry knives. I carry a gun if I'm going to carry any weapon.
You have a weapon? Do you have a gun or no?
Is it on me right now? Is there a gun on me right now?
Where?
I'm asking you.
No, I don't know.
Oh.
Maybe you do. I don't know. That's why I'm asking. You can have a gun anywhere. I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
not a specialist at this, man. People hide guns from me all the time. They get away with it, man. You gotta be careful. Okay, Andre, have a seat, okay? Relax, man. If they get tighter on you, let me know and I'll fix them again.
That's all right.
Okay, we're going
After the
straight
bus,
to the
the
station.
seat of the victor.
Station, then we'll worry about it over there. Follow me? You just take the bag. I'll meet you there. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your assistance. Trust me, I didn't want to, bro, but I have to.